So, hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, friends, today I am going to tell about rainbow. It may be helpful for you. Rainbows appear when the atmosphere is full of water droplets. This can be during a rainstorm, when it's foggy, or near a waterfall. You will always find a rainbow on the opposite side of the sky to the sun. Just after a shower of rain, you may see a rainbow. It arrives out of nowhere and vanishes just as quickly. You can never reach the end of a rainbow since it always remains the same distance away. That's because it's a trick of the light. Light colors. Sunlight is made up of different wavelengths of light. Each wavelength has a color, but when they are all mixed together, they look white. You can see that a ray of light has different colors because it bends as it passes through a glass prism. Each wavelength bends at a slightly different angle, with blue bending more than red, so the colors separate out into a band of colors including red, yellow, green, blue, and violet. These are the colors you see in a rainbow. When sunlight hits a water droplet, it bends and reflects to make a band of colors. Rainbows appear only when the sun is low in the sky and you are standing with your back to it. Seeing a rainbow, just like in a prism, a ray of sunlight bends and reflects off the curved surfaces of a water droplet before emerging again as a band of colors. As its drop falls, it briefly flashes its colors before another droplet replaces it. You see only one color, depending on the height of the droplet and the angle the light makes with your eyes. No two people see exactly the same rainbow because the part of the sky the light comes from depends on where each person is standing. Double rainbows. Sometimes another rainbow appears outside the main bow. This occurs when light is reflected twice before leaving the droplet. This reverses the sequence of colors seen in the second bow. Rainbows always appear as an arc in the sky. In fact, rainbows always form a circle, but part of it lies below the horizon. The lower the sun is in the sky, the more of the circle you will see. If you are up in an aeroplane, you may even see the full circle. So, thank you, friends. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.